Hello everyone! Our team Hacked It Up developed a self-help app to visualize gambling problem as a monster and help users to vanquish it by equipping CPT skills. Our team members are Eric, algorithms designer, Ganja, software developer, Samantha, the data scientist, Vibhav, software developer, and Yancy, behavioral psychology analyst. During pandemic, gambling problems has increased significantly, especially the online gambling. To solve this problem, we aim to develop a self-help app to assess reasons and severity level of users' gambling problem. Then based on these two factors, our app generates an individualized CBT plan to help users control their addiction effectively. We are using an evidence-based assessment tool to identify the reasons of users' addiction. It contains only 20 questions developed by scientists Dixon and Johnson in 2007. Our app collects data from screen time to analyze active app hours. These are duration, frequency, and time gap between usage of gambling apps. Longer screen times, more frequency, and the lower gap between its usage indicates the higher level of addiction severity. Mindfulness-based cognitive therapy has been supported by numerous studies as an effective intervention of treating gambling problem. We apply this theory to coach users in 3 ways: mindfulness, cognitive, and behavioral strategies. Here is our demo. User will create an account and log in. Now the urge monster is introduced to users. The stronger the reason and severity of gambling are, the stronger the monster is. This is one demo of gambling functional assessment, 20 brief questions to answer in the number between 0 to 6. The user chooses 4. Now the user can see the reason of his gambling is social connection seeking. 3 factors related to severity levels are displayed by chart to help the user to know how strong the monster is. User is given some information about the strategy we're using to defeat the monster. What is the mindfulness-based cognitive therapy? An individualized CBT plan is provided based on his needs of social connection seeking. He needs to complete at least one task from each categories, which are mindfulness work, cognitive work, and behavioral work. The user chooses mindfulness work. The app keeps track of how long he's working on mindfulness work he completed. Once mindfulness skills are acquired, user gets rewards. The user chooses cognitive strategy. In cognitive work, user can look for peer support and get to know their inspiring stories of how they overcame this addiction. Once cognitive skills are acquired, user gets rewards. The user chooses behavioral strategy. In behavioral work, user can choose his or her sports interests. The user chooses hockey. Our app allows users to set smart goal settings, be specific and measurable and attainable, relevant, and also time-related. And the user chooses start. Once the SMART goal are achieved, user is given some suggestions to live a sustainable life. The user completes behavioral work. Once behavioral skills are acquired, user gets rewards. User have acquired enough skill and now the monster is tamed and blowed out. There are going to be challenges such as keeping track of users' uncertain urge to gamble. In order to get the user to check in regularly, we also need to have an incentive but not so addictive. Future work will be targeting different age groups and we aim to create multi-platform apps. To conclude, we would hope that our app help people overcome their addiction and live a sustainable life. Here are our references. Thank you for your time.